Discussing a movie.
That was a really long movie.
I know, 3 hours. But I liked it.
Really? I thought it was a bit boring.
Boring? The action scenes were amazing.
Maybe, but the story was very confusing.
I understood it. The hero wanted to save his family.
But why did he go to the island alone?
Because he didn't want to put his friends in danger.
I see. Well, the acting was good, at least.
Yes, the lead actress was fantastic.
Have you seen her other movies?
I saw her in that romantic comedy last year.
Oh, I remember that one. She was very funny.
Do you want to get some popcorn next time?
Definitely. I was so hungry during this movie.
Me too. Let's go get some dinner now.
Good idea. What do you want to eat?
How about some sushi?
I love sushi. There is a place around the corner.
Is it expensive?
No, it's quite reasonable.
Great. Let's go.
Shall we walk or take the bus?
It's not far. Let's walk.
Okay, lead the way.
A simple job interview.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
To start, can you tell me a bit about yourself?
My name is Maria. I graduated in marketing last year.
Do you have any work experience?
I worked as an intern at a small agency for 6 months.
What were your main tasks there?
I helped with social media and wrote short articles.
Why do you want to work for our company?
I really admire your products and your brand.
What are your strengths?
I am very organized and I learn new things quickly.
And your weaknesses?
Sometimes I focus too much on small details.
Can you work well in a team?
Yes, I enjoy collaborating with others.
What are your salary expectations?
I am looking for a competitive salary for an entry-level position.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, what is a typical day like in this role?
It involves meetings, research, and report writing.
That sounds very interesting.
Thank you for coming today, Maria. We will call you next week.
Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
At the gym.
Hi there. Is it your first time at this gym?
Yes, I just joined today.
Welcome. I'm Coach Mike. What are your fitness goals?
I want to lose some weight and get stronger.
Great. How often do you plan to come?
3 times a week, after work.
That's a good start. Do you have any injuries?
My left knee hurts sometimes when I run.
Okay, we should avoid the treadmill for now.
What should I do instead?
The rowing machine or the cycling machine are better for your knees.
Can you show me how to use them?
Of course. Follow me.
This looks difficult.
Don't worry. Start slow and keep your back straight.
Like this?
Exactly. You're a natural.
How many minutes should I do?
Start with 15 minutes at a moderate pace.
And what about lifting weights?
We will do that later. First, we need to warm up.
Okay, sounds good.
Do you have a water bottle?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Good. Stay hydrated. Let's get started.
Inviting a friend to a party.
Hi, John. Are you busy this Friday night?
Hi, Sarah. No, I don't think so. Why?
I'm having a small party at my house. Would you like to come?
I'd love to. What's the occasion?
It's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday in advance. What time does it start?
Around 7 p.m.
Should I bring anything?
Just yourself. But if you want, you can bring some snacks.
I'll bring some chips and dip.
That would be great. Thanks.
Who else is coming?
Just some friends from work and our old classmates.
Is it okay if I bring my roommate?
Of course. The more, the merrier.
Where do you live now? Did you move?
Yes, I live near the hospital now. I'll send you the address.
Is there parking nearby?
There is a small parking lot across the street.
Perfect. I'll be there around 7:30.
Great. See you then.
See you, Sarah. Looking forward to it.
Bye.
At the airport check-in. Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Paris.
Can I see your passport and your ticket, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags?
Yes, just this one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Is it overweight?
No, it's exactly 20 kilos. You're lucky.
Phew. I was worried.
Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
An aisle seat, please.
I have one in row 15. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Are you carrying any liquids in your hand luggage?
Only a small bottle of water, but I will drink it now.
Good. Remember, no sharp objects either.
I don't have any.
Here is your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate B12.
What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 10:15 a.m.
Thank you. Where is the security check?
Go straight and turn right. It's just past the duty-free shops.
Thank you very much.
Have a pleasant flight. Talking about pets. Oh, what a cute dog. What's his name?
Thanks. This is Max.
How old is he?
He's 3 years old. I got him when he was a puppy.
He's so friendly. What breed is he?
He's a golden retriever.
Do you take him for walks every day?
Yes, twice a day. Once in the morning and once in the evening.
Does he live inside the house?
Yes, he sleeps on a small bed in the living room.
I have a pet too, but it's not a dog.
Really? What do you have?
I have 2 cats. They are very lazy.
Do they get along with dogs?
I don't know, I've never tried.
Max loves cats. He always tries to play with them.
My cats would probably just run away.
Cats can be like that.
Is Max difficult to take care of?
Not really, but he eats a lot of food.
I can imagine. He's quite big.
Yes, and he sheds a lot of hair too.
My cats do that too. I have to vacuum every day.
It's worth it for the company, though.
I agree. Pets make a house feel like a home. At the post office.
Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to send this package to Spain, please.
What's inside the package?
Some books and a small gift.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay. How much does it weigh?
It's 1.5 kilograms.
How much will it cost to send?
Do you want standard or express delivery?
How long does standard take?
About 7 to 10 working days.
An express?
3 to 4 days, but it's more expensive.
I'll go with standard, please. It's not urgent.
That will be $15.
Do I need to fill out a customs form?
Yes, please write the contents and the value here.
Done. Can I also buy some stamps?
Sure. How many do you need?
10 stamps for international letters, please.
Here you are. Anything else?
No, that's all.
The total is $25.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt and your tracking number.
Thank you. Have a nice day.